Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill with offset smoker facilitates all your grilling needs with its upgraded version. A new design bringing you a better cooking experience with side and front tables for seasonings and plates. The primary cooking surface is featured with a porcelain coating that is easy to clean. A swing-away warming rack provides a secondary cooking space. To regulate heat, set the flexible charcoal pan at a desired distance from the food. Check for temperature fluctuation with the integrated lid thermometer. The offset smoker provides Texas-style barbecue. Open the side door to easily replenish wood. Equipped with 2 wheels, the grill is easy to move around. Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill with offset smoker is something you shouldn't miss for your upcoming backyard party. Love grilling. Love Royal Gourmet.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.